Just a quick demonstration of why this turbo has failed. As you can see here, there's way too much play in this end of the spindle, and it's caused a lot of damage. And obviously, you can see the resulting oil inside the turbo. Once again, this spindle here and the blades upon it are absolutely beyond repair.